Hi guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do basic crypto arbitrage using Binance and Luno. So I'm going to show you how it works and why you need to check it out. Okay, so this is my Luno app. So if you've not signed up an account, you can click on the link and sign up an account, and you can also go download the app on the Play Store. Okay, so there's a Luno app. All right, so this is the price of BTC slash USDT. Now, one of the things that let's check up some stuff here. Now let's look at Litecoin over Naira. Okay, now look at how the pricing is on those platforms. Okay, so what we normally do is that we get Litecoin or SRP, which is known as a repo. The Litecoin is known as LTC. We get Litecoin or repo from the Binance platform. Then we send it to a Luno wallet that carries LTC. Then we'll sell via the market order on Luno and make certain profit for ourselves. Okay. So we first of all start by creating the wallet. So right now I've created this particular account. I've created the BTC, I've created SRP. So let me create LTC. So I create LTC, create wallet. Okay, so I've finished creating the LTC wallet. Now let me show you how we do this on the Binance app. I've not really logged in my account, but let me just show you the coin. Okay, so let's look at LTC. How do you get LTC? If you have your USDT, you can trade it against USDT. If you have your USDT, you can trade it against LTC and SRP. But our advice is to use LTC. So just Google just here LTC over USDT. Okay, so you can look at the rate here is 225. Okay, that's one Litecoin is 225. Okay, so you can actually if you have USDT, you can trade it. Let's say come here and click on sell. Okay, so if you click on sell, you'll be able to sell for LTC. Okay, so that you can have USDT. You can just use the market order, this side called the market order. So you don't need to trade, you just place the amount of what you want, and the market rate at this point will sell to you. Okay, so that's it, the market order. All right, so the next one is like SRP. These are the two coins I recommend. If you have others, you can drop them on this video. So SLP, BUSD, BUSD and USDT are all stable coins. So get a stable coin on Binance, exchange the coin for Litecoin or SLP. Then you can come here via the wallet side and transfer. Like click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, you'll be asked to select the coin I want to withdraw and put in the address. So when you come here on the Luno platform, you just come here on the wallet side. Okay, if you come on the wallet side and click on SRP, you'll be able to copy the wallet. So remember that these wallets are all against Naira. Okay, so automatically what will happen is that the value will be converted to Naira rates, and that will means you making more profit. Now remember that one USDT it's against 555 on Binance. If you already have USDT, you can do this consistently. So I think if you do this with over like $250 or $500, like you make a profit of between 4,000, 7,000 profit per trade, and that's without risk. So you can come here and click on receive, and you'll be asked to choose receiving address. Alright, so be asked like to copy your address from this side. Alright, so you ask to receive your address, so you can come here, copy and all that stuff. Okay, the same thing here, guys. You can copy, you can decide to receive, and you have to create your wallet address. So from all this side you can get your address. Okay, so that's it. So when you copy, you sign from your Luno and send it straight. Now you already know that your bank account is linked on Luno, so Luno has a method of paying you within 24 hours, and you're gonna make profits for that time. Okay, so this is a proven method to make money from crypto arbitrage. So if you've not tried it, if you've not looked at it, kindly look at it, and you can make at least 10k daily with this platform. Remember that you have a maximum of about 500,000 naira to transact daily on this. Alright, so you can buy Litecoin, you can buy SRP, and you can send it here and make profit for yourself. Then when you want to sell, you sell it via the market order here, guys. You don't sell it via the account withdrawal method, so you sell it via the market order. So you place a market order. This is the market order, and you place the amount and the Litecoin you want to buy. And click on sell, so the transfer fees will be less. But if you just send it straight, you may lose 4% of your money that you're trying to sell. Okay, so I just want to show you this today so you can make profit for yourself. So if you have not subscribed on this video, kindly subscribe, turn off the notification bell. And by the way, our FXRB registration is still up, so we just added crypto arbitrage to it and crypto trading basic knowledge to our stuff. So we teach about card arbitrage, cardless arbitrage, including derived arbitrage, and you can be able to have access to a community that has regular updates, regular guide, and all you just need to do is to join our Black Friday offer, which allows you to join us for just 20,000, and to join and learn more from everything we teach. You just need to pay just a sum of 20,000, and you'll be added, and you can receive 90 days updates and supports, and you'll be able to at least make an average of 100k per month. But most of our students have gone up to do up to 305 to 500k month. Alright, so to join FXRB program, kindly WhatsApp this number for guide 0816 0816 498 5309 0816 498 5309. So WhatsApp this number and request for payment details to join. Now if you have questions to join, you can drop the questions on the comment section of this video, because the WhatsApp DM is so much, and it's only payment guidelines that is being attended to with this number. Alright, so guys, see you on the best side of life. Subscribe to this channel, share with your friends and family, and come join FXRB program to learn more about crypto arbitrage, card arbitrage, cardless arbitrage, and receive daily regular support. And by the way, FXRB has one of the most profound information groups in the arbitrage industry in Africa, and we have the largest premium community. Okay, so guys, see you on the bright side of life. I love you guys sincerely. I want to see you make money from this, so you can watch the video over and over again, test it out, and make money for yourself. All right, take care, guys. See, I come your way again. I love you. See you on the best side of life. Thank you.